Welcome to the channel. Welcome to the channel. Today's video will be about how to care for your Alcantara seats. If this is your first time on my channel, subscribe, hit the like button, leave a comment. Stay tuned for the video. One you definitely don't want to miss. From the intro, today's video will be about the care of your Alcantara seats. I just got a couple quick ways that you can help take care of your Alcantara seats and keep them looking new. I know some of you guys are wondering, what is Alcantara? Alcantara is a microfiber material that looks and feels just like suede. It's become the go-to material for a lot of manufacturers now. Before a lot of manufacturers start using it, you would find this in luxury cars such as Porsche, Tesla, Lamborghini. The advantages of the Alcantara compared to the suede is that it's more durable, it's more stain resistant than your suede, and it's water resistant. Not waterproof, but more water resistant than suede. Alright, so let's get into how you take care of these Alcantara seats. The first way and the most easy way is a vacuum. You know, when you take your car in to get it clean, you can actually have the seats vacuumed. But I would suggest using a soft bristle brush, which you would see somewhere to the left of the screen, I believe. Well, let me go back real quick. Part of the vacuuming portion of the Alcantara seats, you want to use a soft brush, go with the grain and not against the grain. Second way, you can use a damp cloth, and I'll also provide a photo or a picture for you right there. And that's the second way you can clean these Alcantara seats. Now you also can steam clean them. But you have to be very careful. They're water resistant and not waterproof. A lot of steam cleaners put out a lot of water. So what you want to do is, I've researched it and I found a machine that's called Dupar or Dupre. It's on Amazon. They're pretty expensive, but the cheapest one I found, I'll post a picture for you right here. But if you steam clean it, you want a machine that's only putting out 5% water. Less water, more steam. And then once you do steam clean the seats, you gotta let them sit for 24 hours and let them totally dry. But I would suggest making sure that if you're gonna get them steam clean, go to a professional. At least learn what they do before you try to do it yourself. So that was 3 ways that I just showed you how to take care of your Alcantara seats. I'm hoping these 3 ways were very useful for you and help you. To the next video, stay humble. Peace and blessings. I'm out.